What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah May. I also go by the name The Glamour. I'm a pro wrestler from the UK and I make YouTube videos. And today's video I am so excited for. It is the Animal Crossing Colour Pop unboxing. I'm going to be trying everything on so you guys can see how it comes out, the pigmentation, the shine. I'm just so excited. I've had a sneaky peek inside. It looks incredible. So I'm extremely excited to unbox it finally and show you guys. First of all, something I absolutely love was the inside of the box. And it says I had these made especially for island residents, which I think is such a lovely touch. Now, I'm actually from the UK, as you can probably tell by my accent. I had this obviously shipped internationally and there were no extra custom charges. I was kind of worried that they were going to show up at the door and be like, hey, this is like 30 quid. And I'm like, we've had it happen before, but actually it was shipped with Yodel. There were no extra charges, which was really good. Everything is extremely bubble wrapped, nothing is damaged. That's why I've actually had a sneaky peek, was just to check nothing got smashed. Without further ado, let's jump in, let's unbox it and let's have a look. I was actually just gonna get a few palettes and then I felt like the whole collection was really affordable for makeup. I'm used to kind of buying MAC and Estee Lauder. Damn, it's so expensive. So for me, when I was looking at Colourpop, I was like, wait, this is super affordable. And I thought it was a really fair price. So the first thing, I literally can't deal with it. So as I said, I got the full set. So you get, that's upside down, right? So with the full set, you get all of the eyeshadow palette. And ew, how is my hair inside of it already? I'm literally shaking. That's how excited I am. So it's got a slightly 3D layer on the front with the little islanders on it. Well, it's like your main squad on there. And then you've got them all that sit inside. And I was really like hoping it would come with something like this. I was hoping it would come in a sleeve, but I didn't really expect it to. So the fact that it did was awesome. So here they all are. I literally can't cope. Just the pastel tone of everything and the aesthetic is so on point. So the first one that we have is called What a Hoot. Now this was actually the one I was going to get because originally I was only going to get a few bits and pieces, but then I thought the whole collection was super affordable. So this was actually one of the ones. One, because Celeste is one of my favorites, and two, because I just adore the colors in it. It's so nice. I have swatched everything, so there is a little mark and everything that's from me for when I filmed it. And then everything comes with a mirror, which I just think is amazing. For the price, to get a mirrored palette like this is incredible. The colors are gorgeous. They're such warm, lovely colors, and there are so many looks you could do with them. I am just so in love with everything about this. I just think each palette is so detailed and so unique. And then again, it obviously has the 3D islanders on it. And then next up, this is my favorite in terms of just visually. I think it's so cute, and it's actually Isabel's palette. So it's baby pink, which is my favorite color. So I absolutely love this. And then inside you get a little mirror, and then you get these pink colors too, which I'm very excited to play about with. I will actually be doing some makeup looks with these, so do subscribe and turn on those notifications. So aesthetically, this is definitely my favorite, but color wise, I do prefer Blathers. Oh my gosh, what even? And then the next one is the Labelle of the Ball, which is such a cool name. And also, I didn't show you guys on the others, but everything has really thoughtful names for every shade, which is just such a lovely detail. Like, I feel like everything is so well thought out, from the colors. Obviously the makeup quality is great, but the packaging and the color schemes, and then just all the little details and the names. The Able Sister shade is such a highlight for me. I have hazel eyes. I'm very excited to try this out and see how this looks. And then finally we have the classic Nook ink, which I'm very excited about. So this is the green colors, which I thought was so cool and so unique, and I'm really excited to experiment with these, see what looks I can come up with. And then again on the back we have the names. So we have Yes Yes, which is so funny because that's what they do. They're like, yes ... yes. Which I just think is so sweet. I just think everything is so well thought out. And then next up we have our two blushes. So the warmer one is called Flower Tender, and then it just has an orange flower on it, which is so sweet. And again, these all have mirrors in them too, and it's just this lovely warm orangey pink, which I think is so nice. I can't wait to wear this with a tan. I think it's going to look so beautiful. We have Flower Power. Now this is more of a middle pink. It doesn't have quite as much warmth as the other one, but it's still a very beautiful pink I could see myself wearing, although the other one is probably my favorite. Hello. Next up we have the lip pencils. Now there was actually three, but I did give one to a friend. Ones that I do have are Juicy Apple and Cherry Cherry, which are just so cute. I'm very excited to try these out because apparently Colourpop lip pencils are really good. And the next one is Orange Cutie and Peach Surprise. I'm very excited about these. My island is actually oranges, which is disgusting. And then best till last, so the next thing is this, and it looks like the little balloons that come out of the sky. Not that I ever managed to catch any. I have terrible depth perception and just completely miss them. But it's so cute, the packaging, because it literally looks exactly like it, which I think is amazing. Now this went through the mill a bit with shipping, and half of it is actually on the lid. But it is so pigmented, it's all fine, it's all there, it's just come off, so I don't want to open it here in case I drop any, but it is such a gorgeous color. It's so unique. And then the next thing we have is Billionaire. Now this is probably my favorite. I cannot tell you guys how pigmented this is. I am so impressed. So just look at the packaging for a start. It is literally amazing. Look at this. There is so much in it too. The tub is huge, but you don't actually need very much, so I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of it. I would like to buy a few more just because I always do a little bit of gold in my makeup look, so I can see myself using this a lot. But obviously they did put limits on stuff for scalpers and things like that, which is just so annoying. I completely understand why they do it, but it's so annoying that people are like that. But if they do a re-release, which I think they are gonna restock soon, I might have to grab a few more of the Billionaire because whew, it's so good. And then the final thing, if you did get the complete set, you did get a sticker pack, which is so amazing. I don't know if I want to put them on my resting suitcase where I have loads of stickers or save it for my streaming setup. So comment down below and let me know what you think. They're just so sweet. I'm so in love. I do want to get a few more bits and pieces like this. So if you do know any good Etsy shops, please do drop them down below in the comment section. And then the final thing I wanted to show you guys is not obviously part of the Colourpop collection, but just on my Animal Crossing video, I did want to show you guys this. So I actually got this for Christmas from my boyfriend, and it is called Wonderland, which is my island name, and it says founded by Mariah May. And then he put a peach on because he's like, I know you don't like the oranges. He got me a peach, which I thought was so cute. I will ask my boyfriend and get the Etsy shop link down below for you guys because I have to shout them out. This is so amazing. I'm like scared to use it because I don't want to break it, but apparently it was like the same price as the Nintendo ones, except it's completely customized. And actually my boyfriend ordered me one of the hoodies from Nintendo and it never arrived, and they refunded us like 3 months on. I really recommend this Etsy store. I'll link it down below. It's so amazing. So that is my full collection. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications. I make a ton of Animal Crossing videos and I do stream it over on twitch.tv/MariahMayX. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.